I'm sure you guys have seen those abandoned-themed videos at least once on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. There's this TikTok page that's pulling in millions and thousands of views just by posting them. Another creator gained over 143 million views in a single video, making more than $50,000 every single month. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process using only free AI tools. We're starting from absolute zero, creating a channel name and logo using AI, all the way to creating those realistic, abandoned-themed videos that cover different camera angles and have multiple elements, exactly like what the pros are doing. All you need are the right prompts that help you create the perfect visual prompts, which is why I've already created a special prompt document that you can use for free. So stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you something that looks unbelievably real but is surprisingly easy to make once you understand the system. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a short preview if you haven't seen this niche before. Alright, when it comes to faceless niches like this, your channel name and logo are your entire personality. We need to make them feel real. So instead of sitting for hours trying to come up with one, we'll use ChatGPT. I've created a document with every single prompt that I'll be using in this video. It makes the whole process super easy. You'll find it in my Discord server under the Video Prompts channel. Just copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And in seconds, you'll have a list of unique channel names designed specifically for this niche. Just pick the one that feels right. Now that you've got your name, let's create a logo. For this, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, but you can use any other image generator tool you prefer. Simply copy and paste the second prompt from my prompt document into this box. Just remove this placeholder text and add your channel name that you've selected from ChatGPT. Click here and choose the latest GPT 1.5 model. Also, just make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1, and simply click Generate. And just like that, your faceless channel looks more professional than 90% of creators out there. Alright, now the most important part of this entire process is the prompts, and I need you to really understand this. If you just type abandoned panda into an AI tool, the result just won't stand out.
Stop it. Get some help.
So instead of wasting hours creating a perfect prompt, go back to that prompt document. There's a dedicated prompt that automatically generates perfect visual prompts for this niche. Simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT. And as you can see, it has generated multiple abandoned ideas within the same category. And here's what makes this so powerful. It even gives prompts for multiple camera angles. This is exactly how professional creators make their videos, showcasing different perspectives. And you're getting all of that automatically generated for you. Now we move on to generating the assets. But really quick, 90% of you watching this video still haven't subscribed to the channel. If you want to see new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless automation strategies every week, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, let's create the images. I'm using Nano Banana inside Google Flow, as it's completely free in most regions. If you don't have the free version, don't worry. I'll show you an alternative in just a minute. But for now, let's use Flow, as it also lets you control the aspect ratio. Start by copying and pasting the first image prompt from item 1. Next, in the settings, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio and select the number of images you want to create. Now simply click the Generate button. Let's skip the generation process. And seriously, look at how realistic this looks. This is exactly the kind of quality that makes videos go viral. Now here's where it gets really cool. Go back to ChatGPT and grab the second image prompt. It is a different camera angle of the same scene. Now, you need to select the image you just generated. Then paste in your second prompt and click Generate. What this does is, it actually takes our first generated image as a reference and simply changes the camera angle while keeping everything else the same. This helps to create a perfect, consistent image. Repeat this same process for the third image, using that first generated image as your reference. Okay, so we've got our images. Now we need to animate them. And this is where things get really exciting. Head over to the video section and select the Frames to Video option. Now go back to ChatGPT. You'll see there's only one universal video prompt that works for all three of your images. Simply copy and paste it into the box. Next, upload your first generated image as a reference. You'll need to crop it to portrait mode. In the settings, choose the latest VO 3.1 model. Now I'm going to be completely transparent with you here because I don't believe in hiding things. Video generation in Flow does cost credits. It's not free like the image generation was. And this is where tools like Grok AI really shine, as it lets you generate both for completely free. so you can use that if you want. Simply click the generate button, and look at how smoothly it's moving. This is the kind of motion that makes people stop scrolling because it doesn't look like AI. Now you need to repeat this process for the remaining images. Simply upload an image as a reference, paste the same video prompt, and generate it with VO3. Just to clear up any confusion, you'll have to create a total of 3 images using the image prompts. The video prompt provided below will be used to animate all of the images. Similarly, you can repeat the process for each item generated by ChatGPT to create a slightly long video showcasing different perspectives. Now it's time to put everything together. And don't worry, for this niche, it's quite simple. Start by dropping your clips to the timeline one by one. Once that's done, start trimming the clips to make sure the pacing feels natural. You don't want each clip to be the same length because that feels robotic. Play with it until it feels smooth. If you feel that a clip is moving too fast, simply reduce its speed. You can also add a horror or thriller background music. Now you would have noticed the videos look too clean. So to fix this, you can add video effects like fog or mist and simply reduce the values. Then, add an adjustment layer to customize the settings like exposure, contrast, shadow, sharpen, and so on. You can just play around and modify those settings on your own. So after a few more changes, this is how my timeline looks. I've also included some sound effects. Now simply export the video. And that's it. Here's how the final video looks. Bro, are you kidding me? This actually looks insane. But wait, posting videos is just the beginning. If you want to maximize your results from day one, here's how you play it smart. Don't just stick to one platform. Once your video is ready, post that exact video on multiple platforms. Same content, zero extra work, and you're reaching entirely new audiences on each platform. Lastly, the prompts which I've created for you guys is what makes your channel unique and videos stand out against the competitors. And that's how easy it is to create abandoned videos using only free AI tools. You now have the exact blueprint and perfect prompts to create such detailed and similar videos. This niche won't stay hidden for long. Channels are already earning thousands of dollars. The link to my pro-level prompt document is given in the description. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Upskill. I've got even crazier AI side hustle videos coming next week. Thanks for watching.